Oh yeah! This just came in the mail right now. I wonder what it is. What is TOCE Industries? What the hell is that? Psych! Oh my god, I got the new exhaust! Let's fucking open this shit up. I've been wanting this exhaust for so fucking long. And I've been so fucking hard for it. Unbox this bitch. I bought it off of eBay. Oh, there's the letter. Or something. Bought it off of eBay. Oh my gosh, no way. Oh my gosh, no fucking way. I can't even believe, like, this moment right now. Oh, I saved up forever for this. Not that I didn't have the money, but I had to justify it. Oh, I just want to, I don't even want it to end. I just want this moment to be here forever. Okay, here we go. Those fucking shitty ass cut. Pink? What the fuck? You know what this pink reminds me of on Christmas? The Christmas Story, when he wore the pink rabbit suit. Because it feels like motherfucking Christmas. Oh shit. Here's something right here. Oh, no, it's nothing. This is it. Actually, they packaged it fucking really good. No fucking way. Oh. 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 It's in my hands. Let's see if it fits really quick. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it fits. Now I'm gonna go put it on the bike, see if it fits on the bike too. I don't even know if this is gonna fit without modification. Without modification. Oh fuck no it ain't. Son of a bitch. This is so not gonna work. There goes nothing. There it is. Fuck yeah, bitch. Fuck yeah. Mmm. Oh. Oh.